Hello, scientists. Our topic is weather patterns, and today we are going to learn some vocabulary words. We will review together the academic and content vocabulary for this unit of study. We will study word meanings and look at examples to help you understand the work that you will be doing during your science lessons this week. Let's get started. What are academic and content vocabulary words? Academic vocabulary are words you find in some of the focuses or questions for the lesson. These words can be found in other subject areas as well. What is content vocabulary? Content vocabulary are words that are specific to understanding these science lessons. Academic vocabulary. The lesson objective today is students will compare weather patterns from season to season through a read aloud and discussion. Our academic vocabulary word is weather pattern. Do you know what weather pattern means? Have you heard that word before? Weather pattern. The first part is the word weather, which means the condition of the air outside at a given place and time. The second part is pattern, which means a reliable system of traits or set of repeating details. So what does weather pattern mean exactly? It's the air condition outside that repeats at a given time or place. I noticed a weather pattern when I took the temperature outside for the past 5 days. I noticed it was cooler in the mornings and warmer in the afternoons. That is my example of weather pattern. Can you use the word weather pattern in a sentence? Now we are going to move on to the content vocabulary. These are some of the words that you will learn about during your lessons this week. Season, winter, spring, fall, summer are the content vocabulary words for this lesson. Season. It's a 3-month part of the year determined by the weather and daylight hours. There are 4 seasons in a year: winter, spring, summer, and fall. Our next content vocabulary word is winter. Winter is a season of the year between fall and spring when the days are shorter and temperature is cooler or cold. Here's my example of the word winter in a sentence. One winter day, we bundled up and took a walk in the snow. Can you use winter in a sentence? Give it a try. Our next content vocabulary word is spring. Spring is the season of the year between winter and summer when temperature starts to warm. Here is my example of using spring in a sentence. The flowers were in full bloom one spring day. Try using the word spring in a sentence. Our next vocabulary word is fall. Fall is the season of the year between summer and winter when temperature starts to cool. Here's my example of fall in a sentence. I grabbed a bunch of colorful leaves and threw them up in the air one fall day. Can you try putting the word fall in a sentence? Give it a try. And our last vocabulary word is summer. Summer is a season of the year between spring and fall when days are longer and temperatures warm or hot. Here is my example of using summer in a sentence. The little girl had a wonderful time building sandcastles at the beach one summer day. Can you use the word summer in a sentence? Give it a try. Those are our awesome words for this lesson. Now that you're familiar with these awesome words, you'll be able to use them and understand them during your learning. Enjoy!